A lawsuit seeking change after alleging the Genesee County banned in-person jail visits for profits has been dismissed. The goal of the class action lawsuit was for the jail to allow in-person visits, and that lawsuit was filed in March. Attorneys representing Flint children claim their constitutional right to visit their parents was violated. Our Alyssa Irwin joining us now in the studio. And Alyssa, the sheriff said the lawsuit got his attention.
Yes, and that was back in June when Genesee County Sheriff Chris Swanson announced Operation Restoration would launch in July, bringing back in-person visits. Now, right now, Genesee County is one of the few jails in Michigan to allow in-person visits.
I knew from the beginning that the issue that was brought up was an important issue. I just didn't need a lawsuit to bring it to my attention. But you have to deal with it. Sheriff
Swanson was one of 2 Michigan sheriffs named in the lawsuit, including the St. Clair County Sheriff's Office. Sheriff Swanson explained the lawsuit, however, did help to spearhead the change in Genesee County and fast.
What if we were to restore them? Because it makes sense. We're already doing it in part. Let's just do it for everybody, starting with the kids.
According to court documents, the conclusion reads in part, the program offers exactly what the plaintiffs sought to action: physical contact between inmates and their children. It was through Operation Restoration, launched in July, inmates and families could have the face-to-face contact.
He walked out the door crying. He said, "This is not something that have to happen, but man, I appreciate having to see my 2 kids because it made everything for him to be able to see the children."
Percy Glover, Genesee County Sheriff's Office Community Engagement Director, spoke to the importance of family support while being incarcerated, a past situation he knew well.
So when you lose that connection with your family, you feel even more lost.
There are very few county jails in Michigan that currently allow in-person contact visits, said the sheriff, and Genesee County is now an exception. It's a change since 2014, when the county allegedly used telecommunication visits as a way to boost county revenues. I did reach out to the Civil Rights Corps, a group involved in this fight. Their statement says, in part, the trial judge's ruling is profoundly wrong on the law and the facts. It's an unprecedented and unwarranted expansion of government power. We do plan to bring these vital issues to the appellate courts so that the rights of children across Michigan can be given the vindication they deserve. Now, coming up at 6, the jail administrator walks us through those changes and the impact the sheriff's office feels they have made. Reporting here in the studio, I'm Alyssa Irwin with ABC 12 News.
So thank you.